بنورنا الدنيا وننشر في الفضاء أملا ونعلي عزم همتنا فمن طلب العلا وصل.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله الذي هدانا لهذا وأكرمنا بالقرآن وعمرنا بالفضل والنعم والإحسان، وأشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له، وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله المبعوث بالرحمة إلى الإنس والجان، صلى الله عليه وعلى آله وأصحابه الذين جاهدوا في الله باللسان والمال والسنان، وسلم تسليما كثيرا إلى يوم العرض على الملك الديان. أما بعد. Dear brothers, ever since a man opened his eyes in this world, that is, since his father, Hazrat Adam alayhi salatu wasalam, and his mother, Hazrat Hawa alayhi salatu wasalam, came to this world from paradise, from that time he was in dire need to some such laws and regulations which he can shape the nature and habits of the person, which can correct his actions, and ideals can make him worthy and deserving for the perfection for which he was created, so that he should be mindful and strive for it in both his lives. One life is this short worldly life, and the other life is a pure and comfortable life after death, as his Lord has revealed in his revealed books and his revelation. It has been reported through the prophets. A man is naturally inclined towards faith, as he desperately needs some support by which he can find peace of mind and mental composure and ease. So he needs a yardstick by which he can measure his nature and the demands of his existence. He needs such faith that he can only rely on when various troubling questions about his existence arise in his mind, such as, what is this life? Where did I come from? And why did he come? What is after this life? Etc. Therefore, life without faith is a life without purpose and a troublesome life. That is why the first thing that man is obliged to do is the education of faith, which will determine the meaning of the life for him. The facts of the faith are the only thing that can correct his thinking and can tell the right way of action, and also can guide him rightly in all fields of life by shaping his morals and character. Faith is the only thing that can give the right life and enlightenment to the human heart, and faith guides man to the purpose of his creation, the causes of his existence, and the right ways of life and death. The life requires knowledge and action from the heart, and a believer can be full of true faith thanks to this. Therefore, knowledge reveals the truth of the path, and through it, man can get rid of the pressure of desire and psychological and worldly desires. While by action, the quality of faith in his heart improves and faith dies in his heart, as a result of which the believer continues to set the stages of development. It is known that the example of faith is like a bird, that faith and deeds are two wings. When a person becomes deaf with the blessing of faith and righteous deed, he is blessed with the blessing of ihsan, and that is, worship Allah as if you are seeing him. Even if you are not seeing him, he is surely seeing you. Then he performs worship with all its members, conditions, obligations, and sunnah, and in dealing with Allah's creatures, the quality of kindness is reflected to him, so he treats them with truth and good behavior. At the same time, the believer saves himself from the calamities of words and deeds which invalidate or weaken them, because he sees Allah Ta'ala in every word and deed and in all situations. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen.